with this command I was able to SSH.
Okay, so guys, now we'll see that how we can do the SSH. Okay, now first of all, let's say the Shilpa example. Let's take up Shilpa. All the 4 instances are launched using the same key, right?
Yes,
Right.
Sachin.
Now, when it is launched using the same key, so Ankit, you are saying that you are going to copy the same key to the server on
Yes.
the server.
Yes. Not all the means from which we want to access, because key is same only.
That's what. Why you want to copy even also? Key will be same only na, everywhere. Okay, Shilpa, just directly here, right? SSH. I know what you are trying to do. You basically try to use that PEM file to do SSH here, right?
Yes.
But that won't probably work with your normal way, right? SSH space EC2 hyphen user at the rate without space at the rate without space.
Oh, at the rate, is it okay?
Now give your another server IP. Sanket,
Is it private? Do I need to give private key or
public IP? Give public IP.
public? Okay.
Let's try with
Because I added in one of the host file, in the host file I have added in the master
private IP.
host file I have added private address.
No problem. Give anything. Private, public, anything. Private IP. Anyways, it won't connect. Anytime.
Oh, so shall I copy this one only then?
Try public IP here. Otherwise, we'll try with private IP also.
Enter.
Yes.
No, it shows cannot be established.
You write yes.
Okay.
Complete yes. Try
Sorry.
yes. Now again, you are in that server, right?
Yeah.
So you are able to SSH. Okay. Now write exit. Sorry, it's asking for a password. Right?
Password. Yeah.
Enter. Just enter.
It shows permission denied. So do I need to give the password which I have created for Ansible or?
No. It's asking for the password for the root EC2 user actually. Okay, click Control C, come out. Go to CD etc Ansible.
/Ansible.
Enter. You the miss slash at the front. etc is a directory, guys. CD slash etc. Is a directory, not a file. Slash Ansible. Yeah. Enter. VI host. HOSTS is the host file name. Come out.
Oh, I need to.
Escape Q out. Press escape Q. Yep. Q. Exclamatory. Great. Now write VI host HOSTS. That is a file. Yeah. Enter. Nice. You have already added all the private IP address here, right?
Yeah.
Great. Very good. Now run the command. Come out of this file again. Run the command Ansible all -m ping.
So I need to type it here, that one?
Yeah, right. Ansible space all -m ping.
Ping. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, sorry. Please type.
Keep on writing yes again. 3 times you have to write it. Ankit, are you able to execute this command?
This one, Ansible ping all.
Hmm.
Yes, I am able to.
Successfully.
Yes, but I didn't add IP as of now.
Means?
Means this IP which Shilpa had na, that I didn't add.
So maybe instead of public one, shall I add a private one and then see?
You already have private IP, na? Where you add?
No. Yeah, I have private IP, but here we have used host connecting. It shows here the authenticity of host cannot be established. So. Yeah, 137, this is 7.
Okay. Vithal, where are you?
I created all the instances.
Huh?
I created all the instances.
Hmm.
So I need to access without.
Sorry?
I need to access without key. SSH. I created all the servers, 3 servers.
Hmm. Ankit,
Yes,
what happened?
nothing. I was just adding the IPs in that file host.
Okay.
Hmm.
Let's Rajeshwari.
Yeah, Sachin, I have just created the instances.
Acha, we guys are thinking that this one ping command is failing. Huh? Press Control C here. Come out. Normally try to ping your IP. Normally try to ping any of the private IP of other 3 nodes.
Okay, so I need to give the same Ansible all minus M and then the
No.
private key of.
Normally just ping. Na? Just write ping and the IP
Oh.
address. Let's see how much everyone open your brain and work. Okay. I'm telling you guys, this is going to be very interesting. Take private IP address.
Yeah, it shows a ping and 84 bytes of data.
Now what happened? This is also not working. Why?
Hmm.
Come on, all my genius friends. Tell me why this is not working. What could be the issue?
We need to provide public key for that host.
कर ले public key भी कर ले. Why? How come key is an issue here? There is any relation between a ping and a key? Ping can answer, guys. Is there any relation between ping and key, Ankit?
No.
When you use a key, guys, when you do SSH, then there is a problem with the ping, right? Sorry, then there is a key issue, right? SSH, for SSH we have to do the key. Ping uses which protocol? Vithal. What protocol does ping works on?
PID,
Huh?
process ID.
No, process, it's not about that. It's protocol, the networking protocol it follows, right? Something. Shilpa, ping uses what protocol? Ankit,
Yeah, Sachin, it's ICMP, Internet Connection Message
uses
Protocol.
ICMP protocol, right? Now, as per normal AWS terminology, in the AWS, if you don't open the ICMP security group for a particular server, you will not able to ping anything. Like if you go to security group of any of these server, okay, guys, these are the questions is being asked in the interviews. You have been like you will go and you have to troubleshoot the things like this. Okay, they will give you the scenario and you have to play your mind like that. Open the security groups. Go to the top, go to the security. Yeah. Come down. Now click on the security group. Now you see, hold on, don't do anything. Now this security group has only one rule, right? Now Rajeshwari, hold on, don't scroll anything. Rajeshwari, tell me what does the security group rule do? Rule does. Can you understand this?
Which one? Sorry.
This security group rule, which you are seeing on your screen, what
Yeah.
does it mean? What does it do?
Like it's a TCP/IP protocol which calling a server.
Which server it is calling?
Here it will be calling maybe the master server.
Okay, fine. Shilpa, what do you think so?
So for this instance, it opens the TCP protocol. So as you mentioned, for ping, it uses another type of protocol. We need to add a security group.
No, forget about the ping. Okay.
Mm,
Now the first part you answered almost correctly, right? That
yeah.
what does it do? That it opens a TCP connection or a SSH connection on a port 22 for
Mm.
any kind of a IP or for any kind of a source. Means 0.0.0.0/0 means that whatever your source IP address is doesn't matter. It will be open for, it will allow the traffic from that. Okay. Now if you have to do something another, like if you have to do the FTP connection, if you have to do the ICMP connection, if you have to do the DNS routing, anything, you have to open that particular protocol, okay, as per
Okay.
the normal AWS security group terminology. Correct?
Yeah.
Now everyone clear with this Panda? This is a cloud security settings. Okay, this is a cloud security setting. Means security groups in cloud is what? They are basically the traffic. Okay, this by default outbound traffic is for everyone, means everything is going out. but the incoming traffic is restricted based on your rules which you have created. This is the rule which you have created, right? Like which you have created means by default you have to create it. Otherwise, if you don't create this rule, what will happen, Shilpa?
It will automatically create. I didn't while creating the instance, I didn't create any security group. It automatically created this TCP protocol security group.
No. Okay, I'll tell you. So we created it basically. Okay, we created it. You just noticed it because now we are in such a habit that we don't notice it. So it might went unnoticeable. But if you don't create this, if you don't create this rule, what will happen, Ankit?
It will now allow, it will not allow us to connect to any IP from the EC2 instance.
Exactly, it will not allow you to do the SSH, right? From the
Yes.
local machine, from the your local, you are doing the from PuTTY, you are logging to the server, right? This is, it will not allow you to do SSH because there is no SSH rule configured. Okay, by default the SSH runs on a port 22 and it follows a TCP protocol. Okay, that is basically some of your networking fundamentals and the terminologies. So in terms of that, it will not allow you to make any kind of a SSH connection. Okay, so guys, don't be like won't feel anything in a different way. Okay, why we are going here? Because it's very important to understand these basic things and how these things works. Okay, now 4 of you are there, course goes for 1 month more, I don't care, but I want that you 4 of you should do properly all the things. Okay, now on this point of view, all this thing is very important to understand that EC2 security group has a different settings. Okay, they have different settings means it's all to restrict the traffic which is coming to that particular EC2 instance. It's not related to anything. Okay, now every instance you launch, it has its own security group. Every instance you launch, it has its own security group. Okay, now why you are not able to do ping right now? Because you don't have enabled the ICMP service here. How can you do that? Okay, that is not at all related actually with respect to Ansible, but how you can do that, I'll just show you. Okay, now go to the edit rules here, Shilpa. So only Shilpa will be doing this activity, no one else. Okay, this is just for the demonstration purpose. Click on the security group, the blue link down there it is. Yeah, click on there. Yeah, great. Now come down, click on edit inbound rules. Now write add rule. Now now select ICMP.
So it's
V4.
IP4.
Yeah. Now in the custom, just select anywhere. Save the rule. Now go back to EC2. Not that. Go back to the EC2 there on the screen. I am pretty sure that you launch. Yeah, click there. Click on instances. Now was the settings which you changed, that was for N1 server, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Now try to ping any other IP from your N1 server.
Okay. I need to copy public one here. So shall I can ping from master itself, right? Or from N1 I need to ping.
N1 only you have to ping now because you have enabled only N1
Yeah.
ICMP.
Oh. Yeah, now it's doing.
It's pinging, right?
Yeah.
Now delete that rule. Go back to follow the same thing in edit and delete that rule.
So I need to stop this one or it continue? I mean, how to come out of this one?
Automatically Control C.
Yeah.